Hello and welcome to the AV-LAN video guide for the Denon D-F107DAB mini system. We're going to talk you through the features of this system, its connections and how to set it up. Okay, so here we have the DF107DAB. It's the new separate mini system from Denon. It's got a front USB input with auto connect. It's DAB and DAB plus tuner, and it's also set up for iPod digital with MP3 and WMA playback. See here, there's the SCF107 speakers, so you've got the decent, nice smooth cone of the drive unit. The CD part of the system you can see on the top there. It's got that USB input on the bottom right with the play and navigation buttons. You switch between your disc and USB. You see source select there, and the power on and off. And then you just got a source select on the amp. Obviously you might want to listen to the tuner. Your tuning buttons. Just above the display there, and the volume control on the right hand side, sorry, with a 3.5mm headphone output and 3.5mm portable. So if you just want to plug a different MP3 player or any other portable device with a 3.5mm out, we'll whack it in there. Okay, moving into the rear now. As you see, it's a rear ported speaker, and we'll pop onto those banana plug terminals in a moment. You see, it's the integrated power cord on the CD part of it, with the system connection cable as well. That actually plugs into the amplifier. The CD part does not come on its own and is not powered on its own either, but you see you've got an optical output and an analog out there as well. So on the back of the unit you've got a subwoofer pre-out on the top left next to the DAB tuner, and a phono input on the bottom left as well. You've got normal analog inputs, your speaker terminal outputs there, and there's the AC outlet and the normal power output. The AC outlet's where the CD part, the DCD, goes in. Just set you up for banana plugs here. So these little bungs are quite easy to remove, as opposed to some of them you can just pull those out with a fingernail, as I'll show you there, which allows you to put your 4mm banana plug into the back of the speaker, and obviously the amplifier as well. And that'll just give you it's just a firmer connection. You see they're quite stiff getting those ones in, but just a little bit of effort and they'll scooch through. Okay, now we're going to show you how easy it is to navigate this system using the USB input. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how to set the unit up for USB. So if you just plug the USB thing in there, you see it registers that it's on USB, and will immediately start playing what's on there. Just using the remote control for the unit, which is through the amplifier, so you have to have the amplifier turned on to use this, and then you can just cycle through your folders, so you can see the folder indicator on the bottom left. So we're going folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Moving to that, and you can see the first one in the ABBA folder is Dancing Queen, and then you can just scroll through. You've got your track indicator now, pops up in the middle of the unit next to the folder, so you see we're on folder 3, track 3. And then we can just pop back out, and it's still playing that. And if you switch your input to disk, then it will start reading the disk. Moving on to the menus of the actual the amplifier part, or the receiver part, sorry. So you've got a clock set up first off, which is fairly self-explanatory. You just need to set the time up, and you can just do that with the remote control, just moving up and down. And then you've got your timer set up, so after that you can do it once or every day you want your source, so CD, USB, tuner, and then what time do we want the unit to come on. So we set this for 7 o'clock in the morning, a lot of people come up. Get out of bed, and so we set an alarm for 7 o'clock, and then we want it to go off, stop playing at, I don't know, 10 past, 20 past, should we say 20 past? We'll say 20 past. It's 20 past 7, and we want that once or every day. We'll just do it once for now. You can have that on or off, and that just reminds you what you've done. Just a little confirmation screen there. And then you've got your timer on and off again. You can just go in there and do it manually. And then you've got your tuner setup after that. So the mode select preset or tuning mode. There we go. You can just see the indicator on the display as well. When it gets sent a remote code, there's a little red flash just at the top there. And we've also got the speaker optimized menu. So if you're using the SCF107 speakers. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video guide to the Denon D-F107DAB mini system. If you'd like to see some more video reviews or to see the rest of the Denon range, then please visit our website www.avland.co.uk. Thanks very much.